In this video, I will show you how to write this symbol, real number symbol, in Microsoft Word, and also I will show you shortcut, and I will show you 4 method. So first method, write 211D, then press Alt plus X. I will show you again 211D and Alt plus X. So this is the first method. And second method, insert symbol, more symbols, and font select normal text, and subset select this letter like symbols. You can access this one by typing this character code 211D and insert. Third method, file, options, and here click on proofing. Then autocorrect options, and here click on math autocorrect and turn on this box. Use math autocorrect. Use math autocorrect rules outside of math regions. So select this box, then click on OK. Now type this backslash and type double R and press space bar. You need capital, so same double and capital R and press space bar. And fourth method, and this method you can use for any symbol. You can write any symbol with your own shortcut, so you can create your own shortcut for any symbol. Click on file, and so firstly guys, copy file and options, proofing, autocorrect options, and here type this this symbol, or paste here this symbol and replace with backslash R2 or real R. So here you can write anything. I will give this my own shortcut R2, then add and click on OK. Now backslash R2, press space bar. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.